Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can capture two windows or two monitors on OBS. So what all you need to do is basically click on this plus icon, then create a new scene, then click on this plus icon and select a display capture. So I will write first monitor, and for the capture method, make sure it is automatic, and display, select your monitor. So this is my primary monitor, and now what you'll need to do is click OK. You can now minimize it if you want to, and click again on the plus icon, display capture, and I will write second monitor, and I will select different monitor right here. And as you can see, actually this is the OBS I'm showing to you, and this is my second monitor where I'm filming with OBS 2. So as you can see, that's how it works. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.